Heart disease isn't a statin deficiency. It's a mitochondrial and inflammatory disease. Let me say that again. It's not about the cholesterol number. It's about the quality of your cells. When your mitochondria are healthy, your cells produce energy efficiently, your vessels stay flexible, and your heart thrives. This is regenerative cardiology, focusing on cellular repair, not just plaque removal. When patients start addressing root causes, their energy returns, their blood sugar stabilizes, and they often find that their cholesterol normalizes without medication. I've seen this transformation hundreds of times, and it never gets old.